ladies and gents, and welcome back to another Slay by your girl LaceMeLemon. Today's sponsor is LuvMeHair, you guys. Let me tell you about this wig. This was a 22-inch body wave wig. I'm gonna leave all details in the description box below. This is a must-have, y'all. This wig was so easy to install. This is their undetectable lace wig, and I absolutely loved it. My client loved it. As you see the style in the beginning, that is straight scalp, you guys, like straight scalp. My client right now is unboxing everything they sent me, and you guys, thank you so much for the goodies. But I really love this wig, you guys. Like, I already went in and tint and bleached the knots. That was very easy to do. I didn't even have to pluck the hairline too much, but this wig is nice. Like, look at it. Like, yes, I love it. So you guys are gonna watch this video. I'm not gonna talk too much in this video, you guys. I'm really not gonna talk at all. So this is really gonna be watching me work, and watch me work, y'all can pick up some gems because I didn't block anything out. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I got this style. Bye bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single we play. Sit right next to you. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Details for this wig will be in the description box below, you guys, because that is a slay. This is a must have. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See y'all later.